Today I'm going to be showing you how to make fresh aloe vera juice and gel. Let's go to the kitchen. So first you have to take your aloe and keep it vertical for 30 minutes. And look at this nasty sap. It's disgusting and it smells super bad. First we're going to cut our aloe. Cut our ends off first. Then we cut top side and only one side. So next you're going to scoop your aloe and steal that slice off. Next we're going to soak our aloe. Now we take each piece and hand wash it. You have to wash it like 8 or 9 times to get all this nasty stuff off. Now we're going to strain it and get the rest of the sauce. Gross.
On order.
Hope you love the aloe recipe. Follow for more.
Go to nontoxicfamily.com/aloe to order your amazing aloe if you don't feel like making this. It's 100% straight aloe shipped to your door with no other ingredients. It's amazing.